In today's video, we will explore Hello Love Goodbye, a 2024 Filipino film that goes beyond romance. It is a cultural artifact that reveals how Filipinos understand love, sacrifice, and identity in the age of migration. Hello Love Goodbye is a Filipino romantic drama that released in 2024 by Star Cinema. The film follows a reunited love story against the realities of Filipino migrant life in Hong Kong, Canada. The film was produced by Star Cinema, written and directed for a generation that grew up watching Katniel. It was aimed to explore what happens when love tested by distance, career, and the emotion burden of Filipino migrant life.
Fans ni na Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards ang kinilig dahil sa kakaiba nilang chemistry na napanood sa unang trailer ng pelikulang Hello Love Goodbye. Gagampanan kasi ni na Catherine at Alden ang dalawang OFW sa Hong Kong na mistulang paghihiwalayin ng tadhana. Agad na nag-top trending topic ang Hello Love Goodbye sa Twitter simula nang lumabas ang trailer. Ipapalabas naman ang Hello Love Goodbye sa July 31.
Uy, showing na pala Hello Love Goodbye. Tara, doon tayo.
Tara. Kailan?
Bukas siguro, boss.
Excited naman. Tara.
The movie's primary audience included Katniel fans, OFW families, and young Filipinos who relate to the struggle between love and ambition. Upon release, it instantly trended on social media. Viewers described the film as too real, praising its honest portrayal of heartbreak, growth, and sacrifice.
Ano pare?
Ano naman nasasabi niya sa movie na Hello Love Goodbye?
Sobrang ganda niya, tapos nakaka-inspire pa siya sa mga kababayan nating OFW. Tapos hindi lang siya puro kilig, marami kang matututunan.
Tago sa puso, kumbagay nakakahawa siya yung emotion nila, parehas. Galing na ang Martek, ni Alden Richard at ni Catherine Bernardo.
Worth it yung binayad namin.
The film remains part of ongoing conversations about Filipino diaspora, whether celebrated or criticized. It continues to shape how Filipinos imagine love and success abroad.
You won't say goodbye to Joy and Ethan.
Maganda, nakakilig.
Super saya!
Talagang nakakatas.
Nakakatawa at saka nakaka-inlove po talaga.
Super relate! Kung bibigyan ko ng rating to, grabe, 11 out of 10. Ang ganda nung development ng relationship nila.
Panoorin buong family.
I don't love you!
Kaganda ng palabas na to. Ang ganda niya ulit-ulitin.
Kahit ilang beses natin napanood, tagus pa rin yung mga salitaan nilang dalawa.
Ganda ng palabas kasi.
Representation theory, developed by cultural theorist Stuart Hall, explains how thus media does not just reflect reality. It actively shapes how we understand people, places, emotions, and cultural identities. When we apply this to Hello Love Goodbye movie, we asked, how does this film represent what it means to be Filipino abroad? These representations influence how we understand success, love, sacrifice, and belonging.
Wait lang, tumatawag si Mama. Hi, Ma!
Hello, Ma! Kumusta ka dyan, Ma?
Ma, alam mo ba galing kami sinihan? Nanood kami ng Hello Love Goodbye.
Try mo panoodin dyan yun sa Dubai, Ma.
Oo, Ma, makaka-relate ka kasi about siya sa mga OFWs doon.
Sige, Ma. Uwi muna kami. Bye! Ingat ka dyan sa Dubai.
Bye!
The film portrays Filipino migrants as hardworking, tired and constantly torn between dreams and personal relationships. Both characters seek a better future but are exhausted by the emotional labor of living far from home. This reflects the real struggles of millions of OFWs and Filipino immigrants.
Ano masasabi niyo sa Hello Love?
Alam mo, hindi talaga biro makibang bansa eh, no? Sobrang hirap.
Kaya nga, di lang siya puro kilig. Talaga may matututunan ka.
The female lead represents the modern Filipina, independent, career-driven, and emotionally resilient. Meanwhile, the male lead struggles with masculinity, pride, and the pressure to provide. The film highlights how Filipino women often carry both economic and emotional responsibilities.
Nakakapagod. Sa day off ko, mag-tiktok sa sarili ko. Manonood ako ng Hello Love Goodbye. Sakto showing yun ngayon.
I'm Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards in a film by Kathy Garcia Molina.
Lahat na binibigay ko is not enough to make you stay.
Ginawa mo yun para pilitin akong piliin ka?
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit hindi ako ang piliin mo, Joy?
Kung mahal mo ko, bakit pinapapili mo ako?
Hello, Love, Goodbye.